the main city here in Abu Dhabi. That is the Etihad Tower. Alright, we are heading to the sea beach right now. Let's see how far is it. We're heading to the sea beach. This is the palm tree. That's the right in here. Mr. Papa Vinod. This is the spot in front of the Etihad Tower in Abu Dhabi. Enjoy the sea beach, enjoy the scene. Here is the Mr. Chaman Singh.
It's too hot, man.
Augustine Gomes.
Yeah. I'm from India, Kolkata.
Kolkata is the Dada.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you guys.
Thank you.
You are here in Abu Dhabi, and how you are wearing the Dubai cap?
I love Dubai, that's why.
You can enjoy the views of the Abu Dhabi in this Marina Beach. It's damn hot today. The temperature is 51 degrees Celsius. Here comes the most exciting, most beautiful place. Woo! That is the Etihad Tower. It's very hot here, it's sweating like anything.